Asan si Mark?
Break na kami.
I'm breaking up with you.
Really? How? Break na kayo ni Denise?
Oops. It's not you. It's me.
I need space.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Imagine! Wala nang will call you back. Tanggap agad!
Nathan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What for?
Let's say na reward mo for working hard. Paano nga kung bumalik siya? Anong gagawin mo? Kim, I want to win her back.
You should win her back.
Kim,
Mark.
it's supposed to be our anniversary today. Right? But I don't know why I keep on coming here each year. Tapos, nandito ka. I guess you don't know either.
Mark. Bakit?
Kim, I'm sorry.
There you go. Ayan. Narinig ko na naman yung lintik na sorry na yan. Yan din yung rason kung bakit 3 years na hindi pa rin kita makalimutan. Yan pa rin ang favorite line mo. Grow up! Please, sagutin mo na lang yung tanong ko.
Kim, umalis ako. Oo, umalis ako. Aminado ako. Dahil naisip ko na baka mas Dahil naisip ko na baka mas madaling magpatuloy o makausad sa buhay nang walang kadenang nakatali sa kamay ang isang taong hindi naman nagmo-move forward. At ako yun, Kim. Ako yun. Kim, ganito kasi yun. Gusto ko lang magpalit ng ibang program. Gusto ko lang mag-shift ng ibang program.
Dear, thesis na lang kulang. Gagraduate na tayo.
Wala naman. Naisip ko lang.
So, ganun na lang. Paano yung feelings ko? Funny. Yung Kim na kilala mong malakas, matapang, at higit sa lahat hindi sumusuko. Eto. Mark, tao lang din ako eh. At some point, nababali. Nung tumawag ka, Nung nakipag-break ka, litong-lito ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ikaw lang ang nagdesisyon. Nagpaalam ka tapos, yun na.
I had the best 4 years of my life with you, Kim. Best 4 years. But I needed to go away. I needed to make myself better. For you and for your dreams, Kim. You were the best blessing that I ever received from God. And I wanted to be the best blessing for you too. And at the time, I couldn't. And I hated myself for that.
Hello? Dear? I've got great news! Approve na yung thesis namin. Sobrang saya kasi finally we made it!
Wow. Congrats. I knew you can do it.
Sige.
I just...
Bye-bye. Hello, dear. You were saying...
Kim,
Yes?
babe,
Yes.
I think we need to stop seeing each other.
Huh?
I'm breaking up with you.
Really? Now?
Babe, listen. Okay? Listen. Mahal na mahal kita, okay? Huwag mo isipin hindi kita minahal.
Mark, nakikipag-break ka sa akin ngayon?
I'm sorry.
Ano? Please tell me why. What's wrong? We're okay, right?
Kim, I'm sorry.
Years. 3 long years. You could have told me that 3 years ago. It's hard to admit that I waited for you. Ilang araw na hindi kita inisip. Sobrang duwag mo, Mark. Duwag ka.
Duwag. Siguro nga duwag ako, Kim. I was scared. I was scared that you'd realize how shitty I was. I'm sorry that I couldn't wait for the moment that you'd be the first to give up. Hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ipagsisiksikan yung sarili ko sa'yo. How I fit in your life? How would I fit in your life? You were the best at everything, Kim. You had everything.
Almost. Almost everything. Eh ano kung wala kang awards? Eh ano kung sobrang olats mo dati? Every single time na nagsasaksid ako, nandun ka. At baka nakakalimutan mo din. Nandun ka every time na hindi ko magawa mga bagay na dapat kong gawin. Ako, Mark, tandang-tanda ako yun eh. Tandang-tanda ako kung paano magkaroon ng boyfriend. Kasasuportahan ka, manalo man o matalo. I never saw you as a mistake. As my weakness. Alam mo, itong Kim na to, na nasa harapan mo, at ng ibang tao, kaya to ganito dahil sa isang Mark na minahal niya noon at ngayon.
Minamahal pa rin ba niya, Kim? Okay, Kim. For 3 years, I couldn't dare. It took everything in me not to try and get back to you. But I saw how good you were doing without me, with Nathan.
Ma'am, excuse po. May nagpapabigay lang po sa inyo.
Thank you. Really, Nathan? Pwede naman ikaw mag-abot ha. Nakakahiya. What for?
Ngayon, kung gusto mo akong umalis ngayon, sabihin mo lang. Aalis ako.
I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you to be here beside me again. What